Hey y'all, it's your boy Tone Eats, and today we're gonna do our first official mukbang. I've never done anything like this before, and I've never tried anything like these Japanese imported snacks I have here. So I have some steak chips from Lay's. See that? Then we got some Kitkat, some milk tea Kitkat. I'm actually kind of excited to try these. Then I got some Oreos that I don't even know what exactly they are. I have no idea. It looks like a parfait or something. It has like a little mint leaf in it. I don't know what this is gonna taste like. But the great thing is that this stuff has not too much sugar compared to like the Americanized version. And then we got Pocky. I never even tried this flavor before. I've had Pocky before. I don't even know which one, but banana cream and chocolate. And yes, I'm gonna be eating all of this. And yes, I'm gonna finish all of this because it's Tone Eats for a reason. I eat a lot. This is my breakfast right now before I go to work. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna just jump right into it. I want to kind of talk to you guys about life and how things are going and who I am, and we're gonna just go from there. So yeah, my name's Tone. I love to eat food. Food has always been there for me since the beginning of time. No matter what type of mood I'm in, food always makes it even better. Even if I'm sad, if I'm down, if something bad happened to me, I'm just gonna go get some food. If I hit the lottery, I made a lot of money, I'm gonna get some food. If I'm just in a storm, I'm gonna get some food. Simple as that. And I'm gonna say a little bit about myself too. I'm gonna go for the salty first. Gonna talk about a little bit about myself and give you first impressions. These are the steak lays. The steak chips are kind of hitting right now. They're very subtle though. They don't taste much like steak at all. They're kind of bland a little bit, but it has the most subtle chip flavor, steak flavor. Hmm. These are alright. They're alright. I can kind of just see me if I'm bored, just eating this real fast. Eating this real fast just because it's there and available. Am I the biggest chip fan in the world? Not really. But it's definitely better than barbecue, which I think is the worst chip in the world. Cry to your mama about that one. But I personally just don't like barbecue flavored chips for some odd reason. I like honey barbecue, but it has to be honey. It can't be nothing else. So yeah, I am a Caribbean male living in New Jersey. I was born and raised, or I was more so born. I was born in Queens, New York, in Elmhurst, Queens. Shout out to my New York people. I am from Puerto Rican and Bahamian, or the Bahamas. My dad's Puerto Rican, my mom's from the Bahamas. So I'm very Caribbean American, I guess. And I will say, products like these, I never got a chance to get a hold of these ever in my upbringing. Now it's getting real popular nowadays. It's getting real popular that you can just buy these in stores or online or all that. I'm gonna just jump into the Oreos. I just want to try everything first, give you my opinion, and then the rest of the footage will be just me just dogging everything. So, you know, Oreo thins. I love them, I hate them. I like my Oreos with a little more cream on them. But these are also pretty addicting. So we're gonna see. First impression. Gotta do the sniff test. Smells like a regular Oreo. Doesn't smell like nothing different. We're gonna see what this flavor is, whatever this flavor is. Gotta have that water. Gotta have that water. As a palate cleanser. But yeah. Hey, man. I have to think about what I'm eating here. I feel like I'm very calm today. Are you guys getting a calming energy from me? I feel very calm. It's very calm. Usually I'm a little more eccentric, but I think I'm just being calm for the video. I don't know if you like this calm stuff. If you do, leave a like, subscribe. It will be more calm. You know, I usually like to make shorts, and usually when I post on a short, I say a message of the day. Today, I'm just feeling like you just need to be calm. You know, things just happen and come your way sometimes. There's a lot of obstacles in life. But sometimes, you just need to be calm. There's no need for giving a reaction all the time to certain things, because that's only feeding into that energy. Especially if it's people coming and barking at you, that's only feeding into that energy. You just gotta remain calm. Unless they start escalating things to an extent where you can't, where you gotta bring out the fist of fury, then that's different. You know what I'm saying? But at the same point, at the same time, it's not worth it. I'm getting older, bro. I'm 27 years old. I can't get into fights anymore. Can't get into fights anymore. As soon as I get smacked or something, or I get hit, or something happens to my body, it's kind of over, bro. I mean, I could still get hurt now because I'm still young, but I feel old, bro. Let's be honest. I'm not getting into no fights, dog. But hey, remain calm. That's the message of the day. Not everything deserves your reaction. Once you react, you lose. You lose. You may think you got the upper hand, but you lose to the person that is causing you to react, or to the thing that's causing you to react. You're powerless because you're reacting. Get a solution. Get a solution, find a solution. Anywho, these taste like regular Oreos to me. Nothing too exciting. I like the steak chips more than I like the Oreos. It's like comparing apples to oranges. But just the overall satisfaction I'm getting from the Lay's compared to the Oreos is second to none. Maybe because, you know, I was expecting a little bit more. Or maybe because my sweet tooth isn't activated yet. Because I have a mean sweet tooth. I love sugar. As you can see, I have more sweets than anything else. But honestly, what would I rate this? It's a basic Oreo, bro. I'm the king of the Oreos. I could tell you that. It's a basic Oreo, bro. I don't know what they were really trying to accomplish here, but it tastes like a regular Oreo to me. It might have a slight minty flavor though. I do feel something in the back of my throat. I feel something right here. It might have a slight minty type of flavor, but there's nothing to write home about. It's just the Oreo. It's just healthier. Like, I feel like I could just eat this a little bit easier than me eating a whole rack of Oreos by myself. I mean, I've done it. I used to abuse food. I love food, but I used to abuse it. Like, before, I would eat this whole rack by myself of the American Oreos. The whole rack. And then I wonder why people used to call me fat. You feel me? And I used to be a little chunky. I might have a picture. I might not. But I used to be a little chunky. Then I just was tired of hearing people talk down on me. So I just decided to work out. So now here I am. Look, for y'all, I'm gonna eat this whole sleeve, okay? I might end up saving these. I might end up saving a majority of these. I know you clicked on the video because you wanted to see me eat all this. But let's be honest, bro. Mukbangs are expensive. Mukbangs are expensive. It's too much to eat. And I'm the type to reserve my food. I don't want to waste food, you feel me? So I'll bring this to work. I'll eat this, share this with the buddies, share this with the pals, you know what I'm saying? But that's about it. Water break. I'm even conserving the water. I don't even got that much. Yeah, man. So, we're gonna go back to the chips. You know what this reminds me of? You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of like ramen. The ramen, you know, the cup of noodle. That dollar joint. It tastes just like that. It tastes like the chicken ramen for some reason. And it's getting better towards the end of the bag. These joints go kind of crazy a little bit. You know when you sleep on the item, you know when the item's actually kind of good, and then you're just eating it. Like, it's like you're like, there's not nothing special. Then you just capture yourself eating it. Like, you're just eating it a lot. This is like one of those items. Like, if I had a big bag of this, and I just came home and then just seen this bag, be like, you know what, man? I think I need to eat that. There's a science to it all, bro. That's no cap. Next, we're gonna try the milk tea. I'm more excited for this. I love milk tea. I love milk tea. I love milk tea. I love tea. I love tea. Iced tea, hot tea, tea. I love tea. Honestly, tea is just amazing, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Tea is a very Caribbean thing, especially in the Bahamas. Tea is tea is that. Tea is that. Tea is that shit. Tea is that shit. So I'm very excited for this. But as I've learned in life, you don't get too excited for things in life anymore. Because sometimes life be whipping your ass. Anywho, it's cute little packaging. My girl would be spazzing over this. She'd be like, oh my God. What the? Oh, there's different colors. Look at that. Purple. Yeah, all the same flavor. But these are cute. And they got a red flannel. Green flannel. And then some more tans. Now, I just love tea, bro. So we're just gonna open the flannel. That flannel up. You're gonna see what this is like, yo. It actually kind of smells like tea. Like, it smells almost fruity. Very white on arrival. Look, my people, I don't mean to offend anybody, okay? I don't mean to offend anybody, anybody's culture. I don't mean to offend nobody's traditional snacks. I'm not here for that. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna be honest with you. This shit is actually kind of trash. Um, it's not because it's not because I don't know. I don't know what I'm about to say. I have no idea. I can't say that it's trash. It's not. It's not horrible, but it's strong. It's strong. It's strong to the point where it's almost chalky. Like at the end of it, it's so chalky. Maybe it's a texture thing for me. If it wasn't so chalky, like if this was like a regular type of Kit Kat, it just had milk tea flavor, which I thought it was gonna be. I'm sorry. It's like it's good when you chew into it for the first couple times. It's good. Don't get me wrong. And then towards the end of it, it just gets so chalky. It just feels like I'm eating paste from a Kit Kat, and it's really, then the taste is like crazy. The taste is crazy. I'm not gonna lie. It's okay. I just ate 4 of them. It's okay. They're alright. What would I rate this? Because honestly, I would probably never get this again. What would I rate this? I'm sorry, I can't hide nothing off my face. And that's one of my traits that's kind of a gift and a curse a little bit. Because people will notice that I got something to say. Or I'm about to say something, or I just don't like what's going on or whatever. Like, you can tell off my face. And honestly, man, this is like, I still got it on my face a little bit. It's like, what would I rate this? I'll probably just rate this like a 5, maybe. I'll rate this like a 5. That's what I'm giving it. Maybe like a light 5. I don't know. It's kind of like messing with my stomach a little bit. Maybe because I'm eating everything together, but I don't know. As soon as I started eating it, just don't really mess with it. Just don't really mess with it. Just don't really mess with this. I hope someone does, but it's not me. I'll tell you that. Whew, okay. Now I think I'm, at this point, more anticipated for this. I'm more anticipated for the Pockies. Okay, so what would I rate the Oreos so far on their journey? I'd probably rate this a good, it's an Oreo, like, you know what I'm saying? It's an Oreo. It's an Oreo at the end of the day. I like the cream. I like when there's more cream. So I'll give this a solid 8. I'll give this a solid 8 because it's just a regular Oreo. It has a little bit of mint to it. I like mint flavored things. It's like a slight mint aftertaste that lays in your throat. And you know, I like mint flavored things, you know what I'm saying? So I'll say a good 8. That's valid. I think that's valid. The chips, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I made a short about these chips. I said it was a 2. But, you know, getting towards the bottom of the bag, maybe I need to shake it up or something. I'd probably, like, these are actually kind of enjoyable. Like, I could just keep going on with these. These are actually pretty enjoyable. Pretty enjoyable. I'll show y'all the back too. So you know I'm not joshing with you. I'm not joshing with you that this is something fake. Anyway. Now these are really enjoyable. I'd honestly rate these, off my second impression technically of this, I would rate this a good like 7.5 type of jazz. The Oreos are better. The Oreos are better. I said I was enjoying the chips a little more than the Oreos, but maybe I'll just give this an 8, to be honest. I think it's pretty, like, they're pretty neck and neck, in my opinion, after eating these for a while. I like the aftertaste. I think what bumped up the rating was that I ate these Kit Kats that tasted like chalk. So maybe I'll give this like an 8. I'll give those two an 8, honestly. Kind of weary about it, but it's okay. Maybe like a strong 8, light 8. Strong 8 for the chips. Long 8 for the light 8 for the chips. Light 8 for the chips. Strong 8 for the Oreos. Now let's try the Pockies. I never had the chocolate Pockies before. So this is chocolate and banana. I love anything banana. I'm a big banana pudding fiend. Go to the Chicken Shack. Go to the Chicken Shack. Yo, if you're from New York or you're from New Jersey, you know. Go to the Chicken Shack. Get some banana pudding. Everything's right in the world. Everything is right in the world then. I can't open up this package for nothing. There we go. So I thought it was supposed to be chocolate. It looks like it's not. This is what it looks like. It don't look like it's chocolate though. It look like it's pretzel. Hey, wait a minute. I'm getting schemed. I'm getting schemed. I'm getting schemed. Chocolate. It's chocolate up there, right? Am I bugging or not? It's chocolate. This look like a pretzel. This look like a pretzel. Hey, we'll try it out. Shing! Ah! 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 Shing! These are pretty valid. These are pretty valid. I'll give it a 7 though. It's valid though. It's valid. It's a good flavor. If you like banana, this is for you, up your alley. Very, very much so a banana. I don't really taste the chocolate. Next time, I'm gonna get some different type of products, and I'm gonna test those out. Please leave in the comments what you guys would like me to review. Like I could review any type of Japanese, foreign. I'll even order some stuff online if you want me to do Australian snacks, Venezuelan snacks, whatever you want. So, in my conclusion, what stood out to me the most was the Kitkat. It stood out to me. Not in a good way, but it stood out to me the most. Am I satisfied with what I bought here? Not really. I'm not really satisfied with the snacks that I got and received. The ones I picked out, I just I kind of slacked. I kind of slacked, and I'm sorry. You know, like this stuff is okay. Like you know what I'm saying. I wouldn't get this combination again. Like I would get what I got last time. There was a short that I made about these peach Oreos. It was a peach type of Oreo, and I think that was better or more like fascinating than whatever these are. But maybe I just chose a bland flavor. So I slack, and that's okay. Sometimes you just slack. in life. And it's okay to slack sometimes. It really is. I'm not gonna lie. I'm tearing these up though. But yeah, that artificial banana flavor is kind of crazy. Oh wow, this is not even Japanese. This is from Thailand. Wow, I'm so sorry. But yeah, not the most satisfied with these snacks, but they were worth a shot. My curiosity brought me here, so here we are. Now, would you guys like to watch a little ASMR? I'll do some ASMR with what I got left.